Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. I hope you guys move forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here. Markets are pulling back. This, you guys know, we're long-term bullish. No one's disputing that. Let's see what's going on from a technical standpoint with this price action here. Taking a look here at CoinMarketCap, we have fair greed at 48. Why is that 48? Because we have a massive pullback with Bitcoin, essentially resulting in a massive pullback with altcoins. Okay, you guys know at this point in time in crypto, the success or failure of crypto is based off of Bitcoin. Okay, there's been no other altcoin that's been able to flip Bitcoin or even come close. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin pulls back, everything's pulling back. That's what we're seeing. Great time to buy. Yes, we have taken advantage of this opportunity to accumulate more. You guys know the notion here as well with our outlook of this year. We believe that 2024 is a year of accumulation. Okay, this is the year to accumulate and set yourself up and set your family up for a solid foundation to ultimately, change your life and move forward towards financial freedom. And I do believe that 2024 is that year. Okay, 2024 is the year to accumulate, and that's what everyone should be doing. Not financial advice, just what we're doing here. Taking a look at Bitcoin. So we look at the Bitcoin chart, we see this crazy bearish candle down. Okay, crazy, like a huge bearish candle pulling back. So we look here and see like what's going on. So we're looking at the charts. You see that we do have a counter trend line pulling back, and we can actually remove this right here as well. And pretty much this level going back to this major level being respected, right? So it's looking like we could fall under 60,000. I think it did go to like 59 and some change, but huge weekly candle. If we look here at the daily, we don't see that huge candle as daily. This all happened this past week. Okay, so we do see bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, and just pulling back and going right to our level of support. So with that, from a technical standpoint, it's, we're not out of the woodwork yet, but for some reason we went right down to this level of support. So that is validating this level that we have marked here on the charts. Going back to the weekly time frame though, what do we see here? We see that we do see a pullback. We do see this green counter trend line being pretty valid with not breaking above, and to be honest with you, it's not breaking and closing above this counter trend line. So we'll keep that valid as well. Would be curious to see how we do next week. Like next week, I do believe that we could potentially break below that 60,000 range. Just want to see if we're going to bounce or break. Right now it's looking like a bounce, but next week, this upcoming week, is going to actually dictate how we continue from a market sentiment perspective, guys. So the fact that we pull back and then fair greed goes to neutral again, you guys know what we say. If it's yellow, orange, or red, accumulate. Okay, yellow, orange, or red, accumulate. So with that, this big pullback is a great time to accumulate Cardano, a great time to accumulate XRP and everything that, all these quality projects, even Stellar's 9 cents, guys. Like, holy cow, 9 cents Stellar. We have looking down here, we have HBAR back down to 5 cents, guys. 5 cents. Huge opportunity to accumulate. And like I was telling one of my friends who started investing in crypto, I was telling him, like, look, you need to change your mindset, right? Typically when most people are bullish and buying, that's too late. You need to buy when there's blood on the streets. We talk about this all the time here on the channel, but the reason why we bring it up during pullbacks and red times like this, because you have to change your mindset. That's the only way to be successful. When you don't come from a ton of wealth and a ton of money, because a lot of these people, like, you look at BlackRock, right? We look at BlackRock getting into crypto. We look at, all these big funds getting into crypto. They can afford to be late. Like Mark Cuban can afford to be late to buy Bitcoin. Okay. Most people cannot afford to be late to get into crypto, hands down. So with that being said, it's one of those things where you change your mindset. You know, Mark Cuban can afford to pass up on Bitcoin at $10,000 and get in at 60,000 a clip. He can afford to. Okay. Most of you guys are not Mark Cuban. Okay. So, you know, most of you guys are not billionaires. So we got to do things a little bit differently because we can't afford to miss opportunities, guys. So definitely love to just inspire and give you that wisdom, guys, and things that I've learned and how we've been able to be successful in the market. So, you know, guys, definitely pay attention to the market sentiment. Use this as an opportunity to accumulate and get a discount on quality projects. Okay. So guys, definitely wanted to highlight that and hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.